Imagine a world where a cracked surface can repair itself, no tools needed. Inspired by the remarkable way skin knits itself back together, scientists have created materials that mimic this natural healing process. These innovative substances contain microscopic capsules filled with liquid. When damage occurs, the capsules break open, releasing their contents to fill and seal the crack, restoring strength and stability. This breakthrough could revolutionize everything from construction to transportation, leading to longer-lasting, safer products that require less maintenance.